In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up calendars in Anytype. If you want a simple way to organize tasks, notes, or events by date, Anytype makes it very easy to build a calendar view inside your space. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the setup process from start to finish so you can begin planning and scheduling your items clearly. To get started, open Anytype on your device and go to the space where you want your calendar to live. This is important because your calendar will be created inside that specific workspace, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're there, look to the sidebar and click the plus icon to create a new set. When the new set appears, give it the name Calendar. Naming it clearly will make it easier to find later, especially if you use multiple views or organize several types of content in the same space. Next, choose the object type for the set. You can set it to task, note, or a custom event type if that's what you already use for time-based items. The best choice depends on what you want to track. For example, tasks work well for to-dos and deadlines. Notes can be useful for dated journal entries or meeting records, and an event type is ideal if you want something dedicated to scheduled activities. After that, make sure the object type you selected includes a date property. This part is essential because Anytype uses the date property to place items on the correct day in the calendar. Without it, the calendar view won't be able to organize your entries properly. If your object type already has a date field, you're ready to continue. Now go to the top of your new set and click the view switcher. From the available view options, select Calendar. This will transform the set from a standard list style layout into a Nanster format, making it much easier to see your scheduled items over time. Once the calendar view is open, go into the view settings and check that the calendar is grouped by your date property. This tells Anytype exactly which field it should use when deciding where each item belongs on the calendar grid. Finally, click directly on any date in the calendar to create a new scheduled item instantly. This is one of the fastest ways to start planning because you can add entries exactly where you want them to appear. And that's all it takes to set up your personal calendar in Anytype and keep your schedule organized.